Mumbai just witnessed the spark before the storm. The AMD ITL Blackout Bash 2026 officially took over OPA Bar and Cafe, painting the night in black and gold as the ICT industry's finest converged for an unforgettable pre-launch celebration. From tech visionaries and founders to the cricket fraternity, the energy was electric, marking the countdown to a bigger, stronger ITL Season 5. Founders Sunil Teryani, Mihir Kachalia, and Baran Yadav took to the stage, reminding us that while the 12 trophies are the goal, the real victory is the unity of our industry family. This year, history is in the making as we unite underarm and overarm formats on one massive platform. Between the high-level networking, the gourmet hospitality, and the incredible support from Sound Solutions, one thing became clear: the spirit of competition has never been more alive. The Blackout Bash was just the beginning. Get ready, because Season 5 is coming, and together we build, together we win.
Amazing, we're enjoying it, and thank you both of you to coming to Mumbai for us. And actually this year we have changed a lot, changed the best thing in life. So we have made an underarm, overarm tournament with 12 cups, 12 winners. Right. And then this kind of party, we have changed from launch to a bash party. Right. So we are changing, and we hope this change people like it, because sometimes change is negative also, but this is, people are loving it.
Top of the world.
Top. Great.
So you can just say that, like, you must be heard about all the founders. 5th season, and in the first time in the IT, we are having the overarm as well as the underarm, both tournament together.
Right.
As we have all star sponsors like AMD, Lenovo, and many. It's like बोलते हैं ना, karma जुड़ते जा रहा है, जैसे चलते जा रहे हैं, karma जुड़ते जा रहा है.
This is the 5th edition of ITSC, and we are feeling very proud to be sponsoring them for the 4th edition. For last 4 editions, we have been sponsoring them, and now it's been like a family for us, ITSC. This is a festive season for us. We will congratulate the entire ITSC board team and the partners who participate here, and we also encourage other partners to join us. We have a couple of new partners coming in this year. It's a very, very fabulous experience for all of us.
Right. So this is the 5th year of ITSC, the ITL Cup, and ITSC and ITL Cup has actually set a new benchmark in the industry when it comes to sports. And obviously, sports in India is obviously cricket. IPL is going on for the last 2 months, and every year 2 months. Imagine, out of 12 months, 2 months IPL is played, and people are crazy about it. So cricket obviously is sports here in India, and in IT industry, ITSC has set a new benchmark in the form of ITL Cup, and somebody was mentioning that yes, ITSC has been actually reforming itself, and this year itself, this year is, if you go to see, now we have combined that overarm and the underarm. Overarm and underarm. Yes. The anchor was giving a different perspective, but to be on a serious note, yes, it is going to be an overarm and underarm tournament which is going to be played here, and we have seen people out here, the kind of energy which is there. It is amazing, and yes, I'm glad to be associated with it. I am a founder member. There are 20 people who actually started this initiative here in this IT industry, and this ITSC is absolutely nothing to do with no politics, no gathering, nothing. It is purely to do with sports out here in IT industry, and ITSC is actually doing that, and this is the 5th year, and there are new teams who have actually joined us, and this is going to be a 3-day day and night aggressive day and night tournament which is going to be played here, and we're going to all enjoy here, and thank you. Yes.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.